Hey, this is Mike Biddle, and I've got a video I want to do for you on the Germ Guardian replacement filters. Basically, this is going to be the knockoffs you find online versus the genuine replacement filter. Now, anybody that knows me knows I'm cheap, so I like to save money. So as you can see, I did buy one of the knockoff filters, but when you look at the filter, you don't need to be a scientist to figure out there's a big difference in these two filters. And look at the number of differences in pleats and the sizing between them. So if you think that it's worth saving $5 to get a filter that's also not the right size, as you can see, I was wrong. So from now on, I'm definitely going to be buying their official filter, because I paid all this money for this filter and I might as well actually get the maximum filtration from it rather than trying to save $5. And by the way, absolutely was not paid for this video. I purchased all these products on my own, and I would suspect that this actually applies to others as well. And you know, something else I just noticed here, look at the difference in the height between the two. I mean, it's significant. So just overall, it's just not worth trying to save a few bucks to get the knockoff filter. So if you found this video useful, subscribe to my channel and like it. And again, I'm all about saving money, but not at the expense of, you know, getting inferior product.